Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Before we dive into our tutorial, for those who are new here, I am Maria Teresa. I love to share tutorials, especially about Canva. Feel free to check out my previous videos and you might find tutorials that may help you learn and gain new knowledge. And please do subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful, and click the bell icon to get you updated whenever I upload a new video. So let's go to our tutorial for today. It's all about on how you can check your YouTube channel monetization status using your laptop and mobile. This video is right for those who are new to YouTube or just starting their YouTube channel. In order for us to earn money using our YouTube videos, merong mga requirements na kailangan si YouTube para makasali ka sa YouTube Partner Program na tinatawag. In today's tutorial, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo makikita yung requirements na yon, kung saan nyo makikita yung requirements sa ating YouTube Studio. So let's go to our YouTube, and of course you need to sign in to your YouTube channel. Kapag nandito na kayo sa YouTube at nakapag-sign in na kayo, click on your profile icon and then go to YouTube Studio. Makikita yung your channel, YouTube Studio, switch account, sign out, go to YouTube Studio, and dito sa left side of your screen, scroll down nyo papunta dito sa monetization. And here, makikita nyo itong Grow with YouTube, yung channel monetization. Dito nyo makikita yung requirements na kailangan ni YouTube para makasali kayo sa YouTube Partner Program and makapag-start kayo na kumita ng pera sa mga videos nyo. So, kailangan ni YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Kailangan yung ma-reach yung 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 public watch hours before kayo makasali sa YouTube Partner Program at ma-monetize yung YouTube channel nyo. So, every time naman na magdadagdag yung subscribers nyo at yung public watch hours nyo, nag-update naman itong channel monetization section na to. Okay? Ang views, guys, is different from public watch hours. So, baka isipin nyo na meron kayong 10K views doon sa isang video nyo, meron na kayong 4,000 public watch hours. Hindi po. Iba yung views sa public watch hours. So, dahil hindi ako masyadong eksperto pa sa YouTube, nag-search ako sa Google. So, ang 4,000 public watch hours is equivalent to 60,000 views on your channel. 60,000 views, medyo malaki-laki, right? Pero, kapag sinipagan nyo lang is madali lang yung ma-reach yung 60,000 views na yon or yung public watch hours. Yung difference naman between views and watch hours, views represent clicks or visits, but they don't tell you for how long somebody is on the YouTube platform or on the mobile app. So, yung views kasi, guys, minsan na-stay lang yung mga viewers nyo doon for 1 minute, 2 minutes, diba? So, kailangan natin ma-reach yung 4,000 public watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers para makasali tayo sa YouTube Partner Program, ma-process yung channel monetization natin and makapag-start na kumita. So, that's how you can access the channel monetization status from your laptop. Let's go to the mobile and may pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo ma-access yung channel monetization status nyo gamit yung mobile. So, andito tayo, guys, sa mobile phone, and the easy way on how you can access your channel monetization status is to download the YouTube Studio app. Kung wala pa kayo or hindi nyo alam, go to the Play Store or App Store and then search nyo yung YouTube Studio. I-download nyo siya. Since na-download ko na, i-open ko na lang. And then, kailangan naka-login din yung YouTube channel nyo dito sa YouTube Studio. Dito sa baba, makikita nyo tong dashboard, content, analytics, comments, and monetize. Para makita natin yung channel status natin, go to monetize and andito siya, grow with YouTube. Scroll down yun ng konti. Basahin nyo to, guys. Join the YouTube Partner Program to earn money, get creator support, and more. Ayan, monetization, earn money from ads and more. Creator support, tools. Yan. how to join the YouTube Partner Program is to have a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours before kayo makakapag-join sa YouTube Partner Program. So, kailangan nyo na mag-ipon ng subscribers hanggang maging 1,000 siya para maging eligible kayo sa pagsala sa YouTube Partner Program. And there, you can start earning from your videos views. Okay, so that's easy guys on how you can access your channel monetization status, on how you can check your channel monetization status using your mobile and your laptop. If you have any questions guys, you can comment down below, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up and please do share. And again, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next video. God bless everyone.